Did you know you're supposed to descale your coffee machine every 3 to 6 months?
Yeah, I didn't believe it either. I'm guilty of not doing it, so I decided to try WoldoClean's Universal Descaler.
This is a cleaning powerhouse and each bottle lets you run 6 full descaling sessions. Just use the mixture. For every 1 part of the mix, you use 4 parts of water. Run through your machine and rinse with water for a full clean. The result is improved performance, a cleaner machine, and tastier drinks. Plus, the descaler is versatile for things like an iron, a shower head, and more.
Descale your life with WoldoClean's Universal Descaler.